In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hide and unhide text and images in Microsoft Word. Microsoft Word has a useful hidden formatting option that allows you to hide selected content while keeping it in your document. This can be helpful when you want certain information or elements to remain available without appearing in the normal document view. To hide text, first select the text you want to hide in your Word document. Once the text is selected, go to the Home tab on the ribbon and open the Font dialog box. You can do this by selecting the small dialog box launcher in the Font section. In the Font dialog box, look for the Effects section and find the Hidden option. Select Hidden, then click OK. The selected text will now be hidden from the normal document view. You can also use the same hidden option when working with the content you want to temporarily hide. First, select the content, then open the Font dialog box from the Home tab. In the Effects section, select Hidden and click OK. The selected content will now be hidden. To see hidden content again, go to the Home tab and select the Show or Hide button in the Paragraph section. This button displays formatting marks and hidden content indicators in the document, making it easier to identify content that has been hidden. If you want to unhide the text or content, select it and open the Font dialog box again. In the Effects section, clear the Hidden option and click OK. The content will then appear normally in your document. Keep in mind that hiding content does not delete it. The content remains part of the document, so you can make it visible again whenever you need it. This makes the Hidden option useful when you're working on documents where certain information needs to be temporarily kept out of view. When using the Show or Hide button, remember that this only controls whether formatting marks and hidden content are displayed while you're working. You can turn it on when you need to locate hidden content, and turn it off again when you want to return to the normal document view. This method gives you a simple way to control the visibility of content without removing it from your document. It can be useful for drafts, reference information, or documents where some content needs to remain available but shouldn't always be visible. And that's it. You've now learned how to hide and unhide text and content in Microsoft Word using the Hidden option in the Font dialog box and the Show or Hide button. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel,